Dear Banjali.
Hi Bandhuli. There's only so much we could do for you in a lockdown. So here you have all your favorite people in one video. Let's go.
Happy birthday to you, B. Congratulations on turning 19. We all miss you so much, and after all this is over, we're definitely hanging out. Thank you for everything that you've done for each and every one of us. We love you, and we're very, very proud of you.
Hey there! Oh my god, it's your birthday! Happy birthday, Bandhuli! I am so glad you decided to join GDB in class 11. I mean, I don't know what I would have done without you in my life. Thank you for being my Pride Parade partner, and thank you for helping me in all aspects of my life. I mean, crackpots are the way they are because of you, and I'm just so thankful for your presence, and I'm glad. Anyway, I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope you enjoyed this weird ass video. So, and I hope you eat lots of cake and lots of mud pie ice cream and get an amazing girlfriend. Please do that. And since I'm not good with video messages, I'll just send you better stuff. That's it. Bye. I love you.
Hi Bandhali, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day and a better year ahead of you than it's going right now. And I hope that life is kind to you in general and gives you all the things that make you truly happy. Meeting you at Pride last year was a really great experience. I felt that you're a very nice and warm person, and I felt very comfortable in your presence. You're also so iconic and outspoken as a member of the LGBTQ community, and I love that. I'm pretty sure all your friends are really lucky to have you in their presence. Happy birthday again. Have a great day, and I hope you get through quarantine and all of this COVID mess safe and sound.
Happy birthday, Banjali. I miss you a lot and I love you.
Happy birthday, Bandhuli! Happy birthday, Bandhuli. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're safe. I wish that you get all the happiness, love, affection you have ever wished for. I hope all your dreams and wishes come true. Lots of love. Enjoy your day to the fullest. Bye.
Hey Pooh, many happy returns of the day, and thank you so much for being my friend, because you're the only close friend of mine from GDB, and तुम ही थी वो जो मेरे से खुद से आकर बात करी थी जब मैं न्यू आई थी स्कूल में और मेरे से फ्रेंडशिप करा था. सो थैंक यू सो मच मैन, यू मीन अ लॉट टू मी, यू नो दैट राइट. आई लव यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
A very happy birthday to you, Bandhuli. Since we became friends in class 11, it has been a great pleasure knowing you. Many happy returns of the day. Stay safe and have a blast.
Hi Manali, it's Shubho. Happy birthday. I know this is not the ideal way to celebrate your birthday and stay indoors when we'd rather be out and celebrate with friends. But I want you to know that once all of this is over, once coronavirus is over, once end of the world thingy gets over, let's please meet and celebrate together. I don't know when that is going to be because you're so far away and I'm over here. But let's hope it's going to be soon. I miss you and I miss the rest of Crackpots also. So that's one thing. And I just wanted to say thank you for everything you do for me and for the rest of us. It is a pleasure, an honor and a privilege to call you my friend. Happy birthday again. Lots of love.
I just wanted to say a very happy birthday. I hope you're okay, under the circumstances, of course. I wanted to let you know that I'm here just a text or a call away anytime you need me. I love you, and I hope everyone in your family is okay. This is quite possibly the worst birthday you'll have, because घुमानोटा छाड़ा you can sleep 24/7. That is a good thing. I miss you so much, and it feels like I haven't seen you in forever. কিন্তু সেটা না, but তাও it kind of feels like that. So I miss you so much, and I just so wanted যে birthday তে দেখা করে hug korbo, wish korbo face to face, but this is the best that we can do in the circumstances. Also wanted to say that you are one of the strongest people I know. I've said this before a lot of times, but abar bolchi because we all kind of need to hear it. And however you're doing your best, and I have full faith that we'll get through this together. The only regret that I have যে আমাদের মানে বন্ধুত্বটা মানে ডিপ গভীর বন্ধুত্বটা আর কি অনেক পরে হয়েছে, মানে I just if I could like rewind time 11-এ মানে তুই যখনই এসেছিলি I wish that একদম প্রথম দিন থেকেই we could have been very good friends and we'd have more time. But then I mean I'm not letting you go anytime soon, so like 20-30 years later we'll probably be sharing some old wine in a small Paris restaurant or something. I really wish we do. I really wish we get that rich to celebrate like that. I hope you're taking care of yourself. মানে অনলাইনে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে there's only so much we can do. এমনিতেও খুব একটা বেশি যে বছরে দেখা হয় তাও না, but then still I feel like there should have been something we could do more, but then we can't. So I just hope you're taking care of yourself and the people around you as much as you can, of course. And like remember how we were talking about how people in your old life, I mean your school friends, they've let you go, you aren't in contact with them, and we are the only ones who haven't. So I just wanted you to know that I will never let you go, of course. And because like you are one of the best kind of friends that I have. I mean we may not share every little secret that we have with each other, but the bond we share, I feel that's it's extremely special and close to my heart. And I know that you think the same. One of the reasons why I love you so much and I also respect you so much is because you are so genuine. That's not something a lot of people have. Even like me myself, I want to be more like you, so I admire that trait about you. I hope that at least one of the things that you wish this year comes true, at least one of them. And I hope that you get your own Keanu Reeves or Brie Larson or Taylor Swift. No, actually I hope that you actually go to a Taylor Swift concert and meet with her, and she gets to know this amazing person that I know, and you get your own, if you want, that is a good significant other, if you want. And what else? Oh, and of course someone who actually deserves you and treats you like you should be treated, like a queen. And I don't know what else to say. I get nervous যখন ভিডিও করছি, সো মানে অনেক কিছু ভেবেছিলাম বলবো, but then এখন কিছু মাথায় আসছে না, so I'm just staring at the screen awkwardly. So also like Shubhangi, your best friend, this was an amazing idea that she gave, and like I'm really glad I could do this, and just wanted to say again that I love you a lot, more than I could have ever thought I could love someone. And you really are my personal ray of sunshine. So have a good birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Bandhali. Here's me hoping you have a really good day today, even though it's at home. And I hope you have a really good year ahead, because you deserve everything good in this world. And I wish we could have met up, wish we could have had fun. I haven't seen you since like Pride, and that was so many months ago. It feels like a completely different century or something. And kichu korane, I guess. Let's meet up as soon as this is over. Let's have fun together. And because I really miss you and I love you, and I hope you have a good day. Happy birthday again, okay? Let's text soon. We haven't texted in months. Anyway, happy birthday. I love you.
Hi Banjali, here's wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope you have a great year ahead. I'm just gonna keep this very short and simple because I've realized I'm super camera shy. I would like to tell you that you're one of the strongest, most kind and courageous people I've ever met, and I hope you stay this way forever. I don't know when Corona's gonna go away, and 2020 just keeps getting worse with every day, but I hope the crackpots get to meet again. Remember when we met in Christmas? That feels like ages ago. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and just try to get over my awkward stuttering. I feel so conscious. Fuck this shit, man. Anyway, have a great day. Love you. Bye.
Hi Bandhuli, happy birthday. This video here is to remind you that you are an amazing person, and really I don't say this often, but you are one of the first few people I met on the internet. I'm so happy to call you my friend. You've been so kind and so nice to me, and I'm happy we are Swiftie buddies. Your personality on there is also so colorful, so vibrant, and you've been a constant source of inspiration. So thank you for that, and I hope I see you really soon, someday hopefully, and we can catch up. But I hope you're taking care of yourself and that things are not too hard right now. But I'm sending a lot of blessings and love all the way from Surat, hoping you're okay. Bye.
Hello Shona, wish you all the happiness, good health. I wanted to convey this message to you earlier, but today is the right time, right date to tell you this. Whenever I close my eyes and imagine good people around me, you pop in as the purest soul. You are the strongest, bravest, and most beautiful person I know in my life. So keep your originality intact and build stronger trust so that nobody disturbs you and your originality. Wish you good health, and darling, not just for saying sake or writing sake, just keep me as your emergency contact anytime, today, tomorrow, after 5 years. So loads of love, all the happiness. God bless you, child. Love you. Happy birthday. Eri, happy birthday bolo. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday, beta. Love you. Love you.
I don't know why these people are wishing you. I mean, it's not your birthday, it's Damon's birthday and Christian Grey's birthday. You know how in the afternoon I was all like, I'm so sorry, I wish I could do something for you. Psych! I know this is not a lot, but it is honest work. Happy birthday, best friend! It's so fun that you're 19 now because there are so many things you can now relate to, like Lord singing I'm 19 and I'm on fire. I can't sing. Or Jared, who's 90 and he still can't fucking learn how to read. I found this. This is a letter you had written me in 2016 for my birthday, and this is so cute. I was 18 then, and we got 19 now. Gay panic. Anyways, I just want to read something from it. So, I have known you for a year, and trust me, all through this year, if there is anything I've experienced, it's joy. With a cute little emoji. I have lost counts of thank yous, and now I feel they're just not enough. You are a beautiful person inside out, and I hope with all my heart that you get all the happiness of the world.
This is literally a summary of our relationship, and I cannot believe that it was just 1 year of our friendship and we'd gotten so close. I mean, it makes me. I need a moment. I could keep going on and on and on because you're the love of my life and I have so much to say about you, but I won't, and I'll fast forward. And since you're not here to do the honors yourself, a cupcake for your birthday. So I'll blow the candles, right? And he has a gay little cookie because you're gay, we're gay, gabies. I don't know what I'm saying. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Bandhali, happy birthday to you. I love you so much and I cannot wait to see you soon. I love you, I love you, I love you. Happy birthday.